Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a special guest star. This is my friend Shannon from Shannon Style, who also happens to be my Stitch Fix stylist. And guess what? It was such a coincidence. My Stitch Fix came in the mail yesterday, so I said, great, we'll do a try on here with you here, and she can watch me and we can make a decision together. Now, I don't know if you're aware, but Stitch Fix stylists aren't in the warehouse picking out the clothes for you. So they're online and actually picking out the clothes. So some of these things, it might be the first time Shannon is seeing them. Other things she's also gotten herself, so she's familiar with them, and she'd say, I think you're gonna like that. So what do I have first? First is the item that I picked from my preview. So let's come over here to my little style sheet. And I first picked from my preview Argento Vivo Mariel Lariat necklace. I don't own a Mariel necklace, and I thought, maybe I need one. So when it showed up, I thought it was really cute. Argento Vivo is one of the jewelry brands that I do like. This particular necklace is $78. And while it is cute, I'm not so sure I'm buying it. This is a $78 necklace. It is very fine, very delicate, and the lariat part is maybe 1 inch, okay? Yeah, this is cute, but I think I'm gonna be sending this one back. It's just, I mean, I like it, it's cute. One side has these little beads on it, the other side is just a plain gold chain, and then the little beads, I guess they're like crystals, yeah, like crystals. And it's in gold, but I'm gonna be sending this back. I'm not even gonna try it on because $78, it's just a little bit too fine and delicate for me to be spending my money on this right now. Cute, but nothing that I have to have. Now, I kind of jumped right into this and I never explained exactly what Stitch Fix is. For those of you new here, Stitch Fix is a styling service. It's online. They also have Freestyle that you can purchase items from if you are already receiving boxes. It costs $20 to style a box. Shipping is free both ways. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. That $20 gets applied to whatever is in your fix. I've been a Stitch Fix person forever, so I have the Stylist Pass, and I actually just renewed my Style Pass. That's $49 a year, get unlimited fixes, shipping's free, and that $49 still gets applied to whatever I keep. So I'm okay with buying something from this box because I've already paid for something due to that Style Pass. But like I said, I know I'm not going to be keeping this. They give you a nice little mailer and I can ship this right back in this mailer. Okay, the next thing that I received and that I picked from my preview are these Dear John Finnegan roll cuff shorts in this fire engine red in my normal size 0, and they are $58. These are, let me read the material. These are nice. 97% cotton, 3% spandex. These are nice material. They have the real or fake pockets back here. Fake pockets in the back, slash pockets here in the front, and it is a, what do they call these? Clasp with a button on the inside. So I'll give these a try. They're cute. I don't necessarily need red shorts, but they are cute. So I'll give them a try and see how they fit.
I think those could be winners. I like Dear John.
I have a pair of Dear John too, and I like them. So the next one I'm really excited about are these shorts. These are by Market Express, Madison mid-rise chino in white, size 0, also $58. So these are by Market and Spruce, which are in-house brand. The pockets in the back are real. Also slash pockets in front. This one is just a button and zip. As long as these aren't too see-through, I think I'm going to keep these and they fit well because I don't have a pair of nice white shorts. I have denim white shorts, but I don't have a nice pair of white shorts, believe it or not. And they were kind of on my list. So I'm excited about those. And these shorts, I'll tell you, are 98% cotton, 2% spandex. So both these shorts are nice, good quality shorts. So I'm excited about those. Next up is this 9 Britain Jawad halter knit tank in off-white, extra small, $36, all right? I'll be honest with you, I'm not too fond of the material of this. It's actually starting to feel this. It's starting to grow on me. I don't think it's as rough as it was when it first came out of the box. It felt kind of rough. It's very stretchy. The stripes on the side don't quite match up, but it's not giving me a headache so much. And this one is 55% cotton, 41% rayon, and 4% spandex. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, warm colors, line dry. All right. I'll try it on, and also what will probably determine it is whether or not I can wear a bra with it. I would say this is an off-white, like it says, and I would say the stripe in it, if I'm looking very closely, it looks like olive, as best as I can tell. So I'll try these on, see how it is, maybe, all right? Next up is this dress. This dress is by Nine Britain, the Marisol knit fitted midi dress in black in an extra small petite, okay? This one is mostly polyester, that much I do know. It is 96% polyester, 4% spandex. It's made in Mexico. Machine wash, gentle, light colors, non-chlorine bleach, lated, tumble dry, low, warm item if needed. And these are the 5 items in my fix. Give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up I have the Nine Britain tank here. And I was just having this discussion with Shannon. The tank is okay. It's not as like scratchy or uncomfortable on as I thought. If you were a little bit taller than me, this will also be pretty good because it comes right down here past my hips. So it is a nice generous length. It's okay. The one reason why I won't get it is I was telling Shannon, so you can see my bra. I'm wearing my racer back bra with this, and I can get away with a lot of halter tops in this bra, but obviously this one I can't. And for me, it's not worth pulling out the strapless bra for this top. So this top is a no, and it's going back. The shorts, they just fit me. So they're not like loose and like light, and I know most people do size up in shorts, but I'm kind of afraid to size up in these, thinking that they're going to be too big. Like I can like put both my arms down the back of these shorts, no problem, and there's plenty of stretch to them. I'm worried if I size up, you can pull them right off of me. So I think I'm gonna keep these shorts. I don't own any white shorts. I have like I said, denim white shorts, but nothing like a nice clean short. And you know, the label said 5 inches. I don't think these are 5 inches. I mean, it doesn't even really technically pass the fingertips. I would say these are 4. I would say these are 4. I don't know. But yeah, I like the shorts, keeping the shorts. All right, give me a minute. I'll pop on the next pair of shorts. Okay, next up are the Dear John shorts. Now, we're just having a discussion whether or not I like them or not. I kind of feel the pocket on this side pulls a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. And this one seems to be lying flat. I do like these shorts. I do like the material, but they're red. So like, how many things can I wear with like a pair of bright red shorts? And do I really need a pair of bright red shorts in my wardrobe? Probably not. I'd rather save it and buy things that really spark joy and things that I really like. And I actually needed those white shorts, so those are already sitting in my drawer upstairs. But these I think I'm going to return. I don't think I would be sad to miss these, but they're a very nice short, and I actually think these are they're a little bit longer than the white ones. So how many inches are these?
I think these are 4.5.
Okay.
And I do think Dear John, for the most part, fit most women pretty well.
Yeah,
so.
They do. They do. I do like these. And again, you know, I wouldn't want to go up on these because I could fit both my hands down the back. If I sized up anymore, they'd be falling off of me, and that would not be a good look either. I don't want to expose myself. So, yeah, they're nice shorts. I just don't think I absolutely need a pair of red shorts. And yes, I was the one that put this in my fix.
I put the white one in, so yeah. I feel success.
Good success. She picked out something I actually needed. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the dress. Okay, up next is the Nine Britain dress. So this one has like a lot of ruching here, I guess you would call it, and it comes over here in a side knot, and it's asymmetrical. The fabric is super soft. It has a mock neck, which I actually do like mock necks on me. I think this dress fits me well. I like it, but however, I'm not gonna get it. Why am I not gonna get it? Well, I have this Michael Stars tank dress with the ruching already in black. I have a dress similar to this style in blue already. And then again, I have a black maxi dress. Granted that this is different, but it's still yet another black dress that I wear in the summer. So I just simply don't need another black dress, and I'll be returning this one, but I do like it. I think it's kind of sexy, and yeah, it's a nice dress. Here's the back of it. All right, and yeah, I put on my shoes with this one because I thought the white socks weren't giving it justice. So yeah, it's a nice dress, but
I think it's a total head turner. It's definitely a 10 on you. I think it fits you like a glove. I understand you have other dresses, but I think it looks pretty amazing.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. But I just can't justify it when I have one so similar.
And I do that too. You try it, and then you're like, oh.
Yeah, I got something other similar. All right, and that is it. So out of this fix, I am going to keep the white shorts, and I'm very pleased with my purchase. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much to Shannon, who joined me today.
It was fun. I've never seen a client try on a fix before, so that was fun.
Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Take care. Until next time.